Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Today I want to review how to adjust your banana foamers. Before we start, make sure to get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com. Review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, with your safety glasses and an 8-foot ladder. Now, let's get started. All right, today we're going to show you the proper adjustments to make your banana foamer foam the way you want it to. Got Vic up out in the ladder here. We're going to watch it run. He's going to make a few adjustments, and then we'll talk about the maintenance involved. Go ahead and turn it on, please. All right, that seems to be running pretty good. So let's see if we try to make that a lot wetter foam, Vic. What are we going to do? Reduce the air?
We just close the air.
Okay.
And you can make it a wet foam.
Nice wet, runny foam.
Yeah.
A little bit dry. Let's make it real dry foam.
And you increment a little bit. And you see, if you open the air too much, you know, it's not going to work properly. You're getting too much dry foam. Okay, you have to do, like we say, a little bit increments at the time until you find the desired foam, which is a wet foam.
Right. We dial that back. It's still pretty dry. Let's dial it back a little bit more. There we go. Now we're starting to get a nice, wet, runny, lubricating foam. That's what we're looking for right there. So that looks good.
Yep.
Now all that adjustment's just made right there.
It's just
the
there.
ball valve.
Yep.
All right.
all.
Let's kill that pump, please. And what's the best way to maintain these foamers so we get that type of action every time we turn them on?
The only maintenance that you have to do right here really is to clean the insert of the foamer,
right,
of the foam generator. We have to remove the cap on top, okay, and pull the insert out.
Right.
As you can see on the inside, we have a couple of sponges. You can replace them, or you can just wash that out,
okay,
put it back. What we're trying to do is just keep the sponges clean, that's all.
How often are we going to do this?
I recommend you guys to do it at least once a week.
Once a week?
Mm-hmm. And then you put it back.
That's sure a lot easier than the old way of PVC that was glued, huh?
Yeah, this is a way easier.
All right.
And another thing that I want you to pay attention is the gasket on the cap. Okay, make sure it's clean and it's no compromise.
Okay.
And do not over tie this nut. You just gotta tie by hand, and there's more than enough.
Snug as your friend.
Yes, sir.
All right, there you have it. You want to keep your banana foamers running like these, do what Vic told you. You'll get a lot of happy life out of them. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.